Welcome back everybody. In today's video we are going over the new super coupons from Harbor Freight. They're going to start on 5/26 and they're going to go through 6/7. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be starting off in the power tools and accessories category. And the first thing we got here is going to be the Hercules 5 amp 66 pound 1 1/8 inch hex breaker hammer with maximum vibration control for $529.99 at $120 off. That is a great deal. Next up here, we've got the 80 volt, 2.5 amp hour, and 40 volt, 5 amp hour lithium ion battery for $109.99, saving you $30. That's a good deal. And then finishing off this row, we've got the Central Machinery 20 inch 3-speed high velocity fan, $44.99 at 25% off. That is also a good deal. Starting off this row, we got the Warrior Security bit set with case, 100 piece, for $7.99, 20% off. I do have this, but I haven't used it much yet, so I don't know what to tell you guys. But for 20% off, it's not a bad deal if you want to pick it up if it's cheap. Next up here, we got some consumables. We've got Hercules 4.5 inch by 0.04 inch by 7/8 inch type 01/41 metal cutoff wheels, a 10-pack for $8.99, 30% off. That's a great deal. And then we got some more consumables. We got the titanium drill bit set, 21 piece from Hercules, $19.99, 20% off. That is also a good deal. Starting off this row, we got the Atlas 40 volt and 80 volt dual voltage standard battery charger for $39.99, 33% off. That is a great deal if you're in that battery line. Next up here, we got the Hercules 10 amp, 12 pound SDS Max type demolition hammer with maximum vibration control for $229.99, $40 off. And finishing off this row, we got the Bauer 1/8 inch to 3/4 inch number 1 black oxide step bit. This is going to be the 13 step. And then we got the number 2 6 step and the number 3 9 step for $14.99, 25% off. That is also a good deal. Starting off this row, we got Warrior. Actually, the next two things are Warrior. I warn everybody in every video I do. Warrior is their bargain basement stuff. Only buy these if you need to use them a couple of times. If you need something for a little bit longer use, step up to the Bauer. It's going to last a lot longer. Starting off this row, we got the Warrior 3.2 amp 3/8 inch variable speed drill, $14.99 at 16% off. That's an alright deal. Then we got the Warrior 18 volt cordless reciprocating saw kit with battery and charger for $39.99, 20% off. And that right there tells you what kind of quality this is. Even regular price for battery and charger with the tool is $50. That tells you that right there. Then we got the Hercules 4 inch, the 5 inch surface grinding dust shroud for $24.99, saving you 37% off. Starting off this row, we got the Warrior cordless micro engraver with the diamond tip ballpoint for $7.49, 37% off. That's a decent deal on that. Now we got a Bauer 5.5 amp cutout tool. This one is $29.99 on sale, 25% off. That is a good deal. And finishing off this row, we got the 8 inch spiral and loose cotton buffing wheels, 2-piece, $7.99 at 20% off. That's a good deal. Starting off this row, we got the Bauer 100 inch by 1/4 inch. This is the 6 TPI wood cutting bandsaw blade for $9.99, $23 off. Like I said, great time to get your consumables, and we got a lot of them coming up here in this section. Now we got the 100 inch by 1/2 inch 4 TPI wood cutting bandsaw blade, $9.99 at 23% off. Next up here, we got the Hercules 2 inch by 48 inch sandy belts with the ceramic alumigrain. This one is a 2-pack for $9.99 at 16% off. And finishing off this section, we got the Hercules 2 inch by 48 inch sanding belt with the ceramic alumigrain 2-pack, $9.99, 16% off. Also an okay deal on that. 15% is our cutoff. Now we're moving on to one of my other favorite categories. This is the hand tools that we're moving on to. And then hand tools, we're starting off with some Pittsburgh lifetime replacement titanium nitride coated aluminum steel tap and die set, 45 piece for $69.99, and that's 20% off. That's a good deal. And now we got some Icon. We got the Icon lifetime replacement tap and die set, 41 piece. This is going to be $129.99, $20 off. That's a decent deal. And both of these they got in metric and standard. And then finishing off this row, we got the Pittsburgh Lifetime Replacement, fully polished SAE and metric combination wrench set. 22 piece for $15.99, 20% off. That's not a bad deal. Now we got some Quinn starting off this row. They're doing a really good mix of different brand tools in this one. I really like that. We got the Quinn 3/4 drive impact socket set, 8 piece. Your choice of metric or standard for $39.99, 20% off. And then we got some more Quinn Lifetime Replacement 1/4 inch drive SAE and metric master socket set. This is 54 piece for $44.99, 18% off. That's another good deal. And then we got some more Icon Lifetime Replacement 58 inch professional pry bar with the curved tip, $84.99, $15 off. Starting off this row, we got some more Icon Lifetime Replacement stuff. We got the 3/8 drive oil filter socket, 7 piece. This is going to be $29.99, 45% off. Next up here, we have the Icon Lifetime Replacement 8 inch fast adjusting button push slip joint pliers for $19.99, 20% off. Decent deal if you guys missed when they had the better, I think it was a parking lot sale. One of them, they had a little bit more off, but if you didn't pick those up during that sale, this is a great time to get them. Now, I do have these. I haven't done a video on them, but I absolutely love these. They are a Kinepix knockoff, but one thing I really like them for, if you get the hose clamps where they got the 2 prongs sticking up on one side and the 1 prong on the other in the center, these grab those kinds of clamps really great. I'm going to be putting out a shorts video where I change the fuel filter on my golf cart, and I use these, and that's one of the things I really like these for. Then finishing off this row, we got the Pittsburgh Lifetime Warranty 8-pound hickory sledgehammer for $19.99, 20% off. And then finishing out this section, we got Pittsburgh Lifetime Warranty 4 3/4 inch long nose pliers, $199, 33% off. If you're looking for some pliers that you really don't care about, these are the ones to get. If something happens to them, who cares? They got a lifetime replacement and they're $2. Swap them out. And then it looks like they doubled this. I don't see. Oh, these are the bent nose. Okay. So next up here, we got the Pittsburgh Lifetime Replacement 4 3/4 inch bent nose long pliers. These ones are going to be $199 at 33% off also. Those are great deals. Now we're moving into air tools and compressors. And the first thing we've got on this is going to be the McGraw 21-gallon 175 PSI oil-free vertical shop and auto air compressor for $239.99 at $30 off. Next up here, we got the Pittsburgh 12/120 volt dual power 120 PSI tire inflator with LED light for $39.99, 20% off. And finishing off this row, we got the Central Pneumatic 20-ounce HVLP gravity feed air spray gun 1.4 millimeter nozzle for $9.99, 41% off. Starting off this row, we got the Banks 3-in-1 framing nailer for $99.99 at $20 off. Then we got the Avante High Performance Handheld HVLP Paint and Stain Sprayer, $99.99 at $20 off. That's a decent deal. And finishing off this row, we got the Merlin 1/2 inch by 50 foot rubber hose with the 1/2 inch MPT fittings, $39.99, $20 or 20% off. Sorry. Starting off this row, we got the Central Pneumatic 1 inch pistol grip air impact wrench, twin hammer, 1,500 foot-pounds for $169.99, and that's going to be $50 off on that. Not a bad deal. Next up here, we have the Holt Industries automatic air grease gun for $59.99, 14% off. That's not that great of a deal. Then we got the Chiefs professional air punch and flange tool, $49.99, 28% off. Now we're moving into tools and organization, and first thing we've got on this one is an Apache 9800 weatherproof protective rifle case, long, $119.99, $30 off, and it's available in these 3 colors. Then we got the U.S. General 30-inch one-drawer service cart, $99.99 at $40 off, available in 8 colors. Pretty good deal on that. And finishing off this row, we've got the U.S. General adjustable height mobile service tray, $79.99 at $30 off. That is a good deal also. Next up here, we got the Storehouse 74-bin mobile double-sided floor rack for $129.99, $20 off. I guess that's an okay deal. And finishing off this section, we got the U.S. General 15 compartment adjustable plier rack, $12.99, 27% off. I do prefer this style of rack, but I spent a little bit more money and I got the Ernst ones off of Amazon. I like those a little bit better because this is all plastic. Down here on the Ernst, those are rubber. I'll leave a card up above to my videos on those. Next section is Automotive, and this is one of my other favorite sections. And the first thing we got here is the Badlands 3-ton off-road floor jack for $299.99, $80 off. That's a good deal. Now we got a new thing here from Syntec, the 200 amp 6/12 volt wheeled automatic battery charger with engine jump start for $139.99. It's only $10 off though. I'd like to see a better deal on that one. Then we got the Pittsburgh 1,000 pound capacity engine stand for $80.99, $19 off. That's an okay deal. Starting off this row, we got the Badlands ZXR 9,500 pound truck and SUV winch with a wire rope for $279.99, $50 off. That's a good deal. Next up here, we got the 14 ounce brake clean non-chlorinated brake parts cleaner for $4.99, 37% off. Great time to snag that up. That stuff works pretty good. And finishing off this row, we got the Central Machinery 1500 watt steam cleaner kit. This is $99.99 at $30 off. Starting off this row, we got the Syntec 0.75 amp 12 volt deluxe battery maintainer and float charger, $16.99, right at our threshold of 15% off. Next up, we got an Icon 400 pound capacity 43 inch professional creeper for $109.99, $30 off. That's a pretty good deal. Next up here, we have the Hallmaster 1/4 ton lever manual chain hoist, $49.99 at 23% off. That's a good deal. Starting off this row, we got the Pittsburgh 3-jaw puller set. This is a 4-piece, $29.99, 25% off. That is a good deal. Next up here, we got the instant on-off telescoping flow-through brush, $6.99 at 22% off. That's a decent deal. Next up here, we got something that is very handy if you do brake calipers or a brake flush, anything like that, or a brake hose where you need to bleed your brakes. We got the Holt Industries pneumatic air-operated brake bleeder with the auto refill kit for $69.99, $30 off on that one. Starting off this row, we got the Viking 20-foot 4-gauge heavy-duty jumper cables for $21.99, and that is 21% off. That's a good deal. Then we got a funnel set here, a 4-piece for 99 cents, 50% off. Leave a comment down below. I don't know. I have never bought these, but I've heard mixed things about them. Leave a comment down below if you had these. Are these any good or are they junk? Let other people know. And then finishing off this row, we got the Pittsburgh 12-foot 8-gauge jumper cables for $11.99, 14% off. Starting off this row, we got the 32-ounce hydraulic jack oil for $6.49, 18% off. That's a decent deal. Then we got some more Icon lifetime replacement heavy-duty commercial truck U-joint puller. This is going to be $89.99 at $20 off. And finishing off this section, we've got the Pittsburgh 20-gallon portable oil lift drain, $149.99, $40 off. Next thing we got here is building and construction, and we only got one item in it. We got a Pittsburgh lifetime replacement 48-inch box frame level for $11.99, 20% off. That's a good deal. Now we're moving on to lawn and garden, and the first thing we got in this is going to be the Greenwood propane torch. This is going to be $24.99 at 16% off. That's an alright deal. Next up, we got the Drummond 1 horsepower cast iron shallow well pump with a pressure control switch for $189.99, $20 off. Then we got another Drummond 1/2 horsepower cast iron transfer pump. This one's 1,525 GPH, $89.99 at $20 off. Next up here, we got the 80 volt brushless, cordless, 21-inch self-propelled lawnmower tool only, $239.99, $30 off. That will go with the batteries and the chargers that we went over earlier. You can pick them all up on sale. Then we got a 32-inch by 15-inch by 10-inch medium animal trap for $24.99, 16% off. And finishing off this row, we got the 20-volt cordless 96 MPH 338 CFM jet fan blower tool only from Bauer. This is going to be the $44.99, 18% off on that one. Starting off this row, we got the Drummond 750 GPH drill pump, $12.99 at 27% off. That's a decent deal. Next up here, we got a Bauer 20/120 volt lithium ion dual power cordless transfer pump, tool only, $79.99, but it's only 11% off. That's not a great deal. And then finishing off this row, we've got the Atlas 40 volt cordless 24-inch hedge trimmer, tool only, $49.99, 13% off. That is not a great deal. Next up here, we got home and security, and we only got 3 items in this one. So the first one we got is an Armstrong 23-inch to 65-inch single stud full motion TV mount for $17.99, 48% off. That is a great deal. Next up here, we have the AFT 6-outlet power strip with a metal housing for $19.99, 20% off. That is a great deal. And finishing out this section, we got a 1-gallon degreaser, $7.99, 38% off. If anybody's ever used this, leave a comment down below. This is a good price, and it might be cheaper than other stuff if it's any good. Definitely leave that comment down below. Next up here, we got welding, and we only got a couple items in welding. We got the Chicago Electric welding cylinder cart. This is going to be $64.99, 13% off. That's not a great deal. Then we got the Chicago Electric 100-pound capacity welding cart for $44.99 at 18% off. That's a little bit better deal. Now we're going to move into electrical, and we only got 3 things in electrical to go over here. First off, we got the Storehouse 400-foot wire spool rack for $34.99, but it's only 12% off. Not a good deal. Then we got some more Pittsburgh pliers here, lifetime replacement. We got the 5 3/4-inch needle nose pliers for $199, 33% off. And then we got the other Pittsburgh lifetime replacement 4.5-inch diagonal cutters for $149, 50% off. Those are both great deals. Next session is going to be hardware, and we only got one thing in hardware this time. We got the 81mm round magnet for $399, 33% off. That is a good deal. Next up, we got material handling and safety. And the first thing we got in that is going to be the Hardy vinyl gloves 100 pack, $499 at 37% off. I can tell you guys right now, I've tried these, and I don't think they're that great, but if you just need something to cover your hands, maybe you're painting or something so you don't get paint or spraying something on your hands, they might be good, but for working on cars, they are not that great. Then next up, we got the Franklin 80-inch by 144-inch extra large double-sided moving blanket for $12.99, 35% off. And finishing off this row, we got the Hardy split leather work gloves with the cotton back, a 5-pair. This is $6.99, 30% off. That is a good deal. And finishing out this section, we've got the Hardy goatskin leather gloves with the mesh back. This is $7.99, 20% off. I've heard a couple people recommend these to me to pick them up. Maybe I'll have to do that since they're on sale now. Next category we got is painting, and we only got 2 items in painting. We got the paint kit 9-piece for $9.99, 23% off. And finishing off this section, we got the 4-foot by 15-foot canvas drop cloth for $9.99, 16% off. Next category we got here is going to be lighting. And in lighting, the first thing we've got here is going to be the Braun 900 lumen rechargeable swivel head LED flashlight for $19.99, 20% off. Then we got a 100 lumen swivel lens LED headlamp for $199 at 50% off. If that is a good working light, that is a good deal. Then we got a Braun 300 lumen magnetic pocket work light, $499, 37% off. Not a bad deal. And finishing off this section, we got something new from Braun. We got the UV leak detector LED flashlight for $499, 37% off. That is not a bad deal. So there you have it. There is your Harbor Freight Super Coupons that's going on from 5/26 through 6/7. Bunch of good stuff in this one. A lot of icons, some Quinn. Let me know in the comments down below. What are you looking forward to picking up? Also, if you think this is a disappointing sale, leave that comment down below also. I like hearing both the good and bad on this stuff. So as always, don't forget to check my link tree out down below. I do have affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.